I thought cats disliked swimming in water.
I don't know about other cats, but I like water. However, I wonder why it's so hard for us to breathe underwater while fish actually live underwater.
I will answer your question, but if you tell me first what letter fish starts with.
That was super easy. Fish starts with F.
Great job! Let's draw a fish and I will explain it to you. You see, the biggest difference between us who live on land and fish who live in the sea is that we breathe through lungs, while fish breathe through gills. They have gills where water passes through and goes out again, and in between, the fish get oxygen from the small air bubbles in the water.
Wow, that's so cool. I also think their skin is different from our food. What do you know about their skin?
Yes, exactly. You have fur on your skin, while fish have scales on their leathery skin. Fish skin produces mucus. This mucus reduces water resistance and also protects the fish from certain diseases in the water.
Interesting facts. Now, I'm wondering what fish eat with all their many teeth.
It varies depending on the type of fish, but most fish, especially the one we are drawing, eat small zooplankton and bottom-dwelling animals. By the way, what colors do you recommend?
Since this is a clownfish, it should be orange and white. Perfect! It looks just like Nemo.
again choosing Drawing with Cats to learn something new. Don't forget to comment on the video, like, and subscribe. Bye!